Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by updating and opening Face ID settings. This is required because mask support arrived in iOS 15. 4. Once done, authenticate with your passcode so you can change Face ID options. Make sure you're in even, front-facing light and remove sunglasses or bulky hats. The true depth camera needs a clear view of your eye region. With those prerequisites met, tap Use Face ID with a mask and follow the on-screen prompts. We'll start the first scan now. You'll do 2 guided scans that focus on the upper face. This trains Face ID to read around a mask. Hold the phone at your usual unlock distance and keep your eyes centered in the circle. Move your head slowly to complete each rotation so the system captures subtle angles. Quick jerks reduce accuracy. If you normally wear glasses, choose Add Glasses when offered so Face ID learns how your eye region looks with frames on, improving reliability. Finish by testing unlock and secure features like Apple Pay while wearing your mask. This confirms the enroll worked. If it fails, try toggling Use Face ID with a mask off and on, then re-enroll. If problems persist, reset Face ID and set it up again. Also clean the true depth camera area and make sure your mask sits snugly over your nose but not blocking the eye region. That single reset step resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.